Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Rachel, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, is dyeing my hair. Anyways, so yes, that's today's video. A little background knowledge on my hair journey, if you will. I've had my natural hair color, which is like ginger. I'll put some photos on the screen. My whole life, all 17 years, and then I dyed my hair for the first time in April, a light brown, and that lasted 2 weeks and then it washed out. And then about a month and a half ago, like 5 or 6 weeks ago, I dyed my hair the color it is now, and I'm here touching up the roots and also trying to change the color. It's gonna be probably a big fucking fail. Hopefully not. And the reason why I'm dyeing my hair, because every time I've dyed it, my sister's done it, because she's been dyeing her hair for like years and she's learned a lot from like online and stuff, and she's going to school to be a hairdresser and stuff. So that's why I let her do it, because she actually knows what the fuck she's doing, unlike me. But she canceled on me tonight to do it, to go hang out with her friends, and bitch, I couldn't wait. I literally couldn't wait another day, and I'm going through it like hardcore. And so I was just like, you know what, I need to take fucking control of the situation and get shit done. So that's this fucking video right here. Anyways, hopefully I don't look fucking ugly, because I will literally cry. I'm going to San Diego in 8 days right now when I'm filming this. So if this looks like shit, I might actually fucking chop off all my hair. Just kidding, I won't do that, but I definitely will cry for probably 2 days. Anyways, let's show you guys what I got before we get started. So I have all the stuff I need laid out on my desk. I got all of this stuff that I'm using to dye my hair from Sally's Beauty Supply, if you guys are wondering. So the dye I'm using is this Ion Intensive Shine Permanent Liquid Cream Hair Color in the color chocolate. So yeah, I got that. This is the instructions and the gloves, and right here is the before the hair dye treatment. So I'm going to put that on right now and then let that sit for a couple minutes, and then mix together the developer and the dye in this bowl. This I did not pick up today. This is my sister's that she usually uses. So yes, I think it's just easier for me to use a bowl rather than this shit. And then this is for in the shower to like lock it in and like protect my hair after damaging the fuck out of it. Okay, so the first step is to comb out your hair. I'm using a wet brush because that's the best hairbrush for you. And also make sure you're wearing a shirt you don't care about, or one that is dark colored. This is a Camp of You t-shirt. It's hella cute. Alright, so this is the pre-color treatment. It says to apply it to your ends first and then work your way up. This smells really good. It smells like winter candy apple from Bath & Body Works, so I love that. Okay, so apply to dry, unwashed hair. Comb through and massage product. Okay. Ooh, looks like that. Kind of looks like aloe vera. Okay, let's... Ooh, it kind of feels like aloe vera too. So I just put this shit on. I've never had this before in hair dye, where they have like a pre-dye shit thing. Okay, Rachel, like, cool. Ooh, this smells good, but it does not feel good. Hopefully this doesn't fuck shit up. Like, I love like the pre-color for it to just fuck everything up. Oof. Look at that. Oof. Okay. Oh, you hear that? Oh my god, this feels really weird. Okay, put a little bit more on and then comb this bitch through. Oh fuck. Oh shit, it dropped on the ground. Okay. Okay, so it's been a couple minutes. I applied the pre-dye stuff all over my hair. Can't really see it because it's dark and I combed it out. So I'm gonna call my sister, make sure this is all good before we get started with like the dye and shit. So yeah, gonna call her and then start the dyeing process. There's no fucking going back now. Holy shit, holy shit, holy shit. This might be the last time I ever fucking look good. Hey guys, so change of setup because the lighting over there was fucking horrendous. So I'm sitting in front of a big mirror right now so I can see what I'm actually doing. And yep, so I'm putting on the gloves. Oh, got ready. Got the mix all together and it's starting to turn brown now, so I should really get this shit on the road. I just FaceTimed my sister to update her to make sure I was doing everything right, and I am. So this is scary. No backing out now. Is this what you're supposed to do? Like, I don't understand. Wonder if this looks good. Like, how do I... Maybe I should put it on the glove and, like, massage it. I think I like that process better. This is probably, like, the shittiest hair dye video you've ever seen. Like, I don't think I'm doing this right. So, this is what we're working with. Half of the bottom section is done. I gotta do the other half. I'm not really supposed to pause while I'm doing this to talk because you gotta move quickly with this shit. Hopefully this doesn't mess up my hair. I have a feeling it might. Okay, I'm gonna work on this and then come back when my roots are done on the top and the bottom and then do the rest of my hair. Okay guys, so it's 20 minutes later and all the hair dye is in. Look at those roots. It looks like it's bright orange, so yikes, but this is my hair. I gotta wait a little bit longer for it to develop before I can rinse it out, but you know, crossing my fingers this doesn't look fucking awful and it actually looks good. Just wanted to update you guys. Hey guys, so it is the next day. Right now it is currently 1:45 and I just wanted to show you my fail of a fucking dye job. From my eyebrows down, it looks fine. Like, it looks brown, looks pretty even, but then you look at the fucking roots and look at it, like it's literally red. That's an issue. Like, that's really not okay. Like, not okay, not at all. So I have to fix this somehow. My sister's gonna help me hopefully get this out, and if we can't fix it to where it's all one color, then I'm just gonna have to go back to the red hair, which I don't want to fucking do. But worst comes to worst, that's what we're gonna have to do. Yeah, so I dyed my hair for the first time and fucked it up. Got my roots a completely different fucking color than the rest of my hair. So love that. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and also follow me on all my social media links that are down below, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!